In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in North Kashmir's Kupwara district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred the youth during a violent military operation in Kiran area of the district. The operation continued till last reports came in. Meanwhile, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference leadership has said that the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir are living without basic human rights and unrelenting cordon and search operations conducted by Indian Army and police. The APHC leaders and organizations in their statements in Srinagar said killings, fake encounters, arrests and house raids have become order of the day, especially after revocation of Kashmir's special status by India on August 5, 2019. Senior APHC leader Naeem Ahmed Khan, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, said the RSS-backed Indian rulers and agencies are committing massacres of the Muslims in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir under a nefarious plan to change the demographic composition of the territory. Other APHC leaders and organizations including Abdul Ahad Para, Dr. Musab, Advocate Davinder Singh Bahal, Jammu and Kashmir People's League, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party and Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Political Movement in their separate statements urged the United Nations and world powers to play their role in mitigating the sufferings of the Kashmiri people by resolving the Kashmir dispute in its historical perspective. On the other hand, the High Court of occupied Jammu and Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of two Kashmiri youth held under Black Law Public Safety Act and directed the authorities to release them immediately. The court in its order maintained that the detaining authorities have failed to supply the charges to the detainees, which is their basic right, rendering detention order illegal and unsustainable. Senior APHC-AJK leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement in Islamabad, urged the G20 countries to avoid participating in an event in the UN-designated disputed Jammu and Kashmir. He said Jammu and Kashmir, where thousands of Kashmiris have been put behind bars and innocent youth are killed by Indian troops in fake encounters on daily basis, is not suitable for an international event. Washington-based Committee to Protect Journalists, an independent watchdog body, in a statement called upon the Indian authorities to immediately and unconditionally release journalist Mohammad Zubair and cease harassing him in retaliation for his work. Mohammad Zubair was arrested by the Modi regime on Monday.